Traveled all the way from San Diego to Las Vegas to the AI Summit at MURTEC to find out what is the best technology that restaurateurs need to know about. I ran into Jake Simon, CEO, founder, ConnectedFresh. Jake, I've been watching you guys build. For those that don't know who you are and what you do, what pain point are you solving for restaurant groups?
Yeah, we're essentially giving them visibility into their operations that they didn't previously have. So it's taking off-the-shelf sensors and putting them into the environment and solving for things around ops, food safety, and facilities.
So are you saying a lot of restaurant owners are operating blind in the back of the house?
Oh, 100% blind. I mean, you have checklists, you have all these different things, right? But a lot of times it's, is the cooler hot, not predictive maintenance of, hey, something's giving an early warning sign that can tell you something's gonna go down. We created ConnectedFresh because before ConnectedFresh, we were basically trying to predict and prevent issues before they became a problem, right? So how can we use some of this data to be able to predict this is going to go down, or this is the average lifespan of something, or this is a process that can be completely eliminated, but do it in an easy way that's off the shelf and plug and play.
Can you talk about the Internet of Things? Specifically in the back of the house, the problems that you're solving, all of the different equipment. I mean, we're talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending on the restaurant group, millions of dollars in equipment, coolers, walk-ins, all of those things.
Yeah, I mean, the landscape of IoT is not a new concept, right? It's been around for many, many decades, right? It's gotten to a point where you have the physical profile and battery life and things like that, and the easy connection that allows it to really not only work in that environment, but also scale, right? And scale is the really important thing here, because you can have, here's an energy sensor, for example, right? And this energy sensor, it's just going to clamp around a wire, and then that's it, right? You're not going to have to hire an electrician to cut into the wire, right? It's just going to work right out of the box, right? And things like that.
How many of those do I need?
I mean, as many things as you want to. As many things as you want to be monitoring, right? So ConnectedFresh isn't going out there saying, here's a connected restaurant. We're trying to solve very specific challenge. And so the type of technology that we use around the sensors is open. It's not proprietary. We're agnostic at the sensor end, and we're agnostic at where we're sending this data at the end of the day. So what we're able to do is pull so many different types of sensors to solve so many different challenges. Again, it starts with a challenge. Is it that your cooldown logs are physically done and right over a 6-hour period, so it has to keep going and checking? Well, then you have a sensor that you pop into the chicken, and it automates that process and lets you know something's going to go wrong. There's a lot of things having to do with equipment maintenance and just uptime, but at the end of the day, it's really to help the operations and the food safety side be able to focus on making the food, serving the customer.